Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Today we will share a great way to make money online on Amazon's audiobook website. So if you like reading books, you can use the service to earn some extra cash. But no one's left behind, because even if you are not a bibliophile, you can still make some cash using this method by doing a few tricks. So if you are interested, watch the entire video and save it so you can watch it again if you miss the process. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. This method is a discovery most people have never seen before. And guess what? You will be the first to discover the secret. The best part is that this unique opportunity will give you an extra $300 right now. Do you want to learn how to do it right? By the way, anyone can use this method in any country. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop to work. It only takes a few minutes to click a few buttons. It's simple and it's free. Watch out for the $300 bonus at the end. It will be the most exciting video you've seen. This video will show you a tool that is usually 100% free utility. We will show you how to make money fast on the internet with just a few clicks. Be sure to watch until the end, as we'll show you another bonus tool. As you can see, the location of the second tool is here. We can make more money online, so be careful not to miss out. But first, look at this. If you're on Amazon, just go to Amazon and buy any audiobook you want. But remember, you can make a lot of money online, maybe hundreds or thousands of dollars from all these audiobooks. You don't have to be a graphic designer, a book publisher, or have technical knowledge or experience. In fact, we will show you a straightforward method or tool used by others. Free Tool 1 and Free Tool 2 can quickly bring in an extra $300 right now. Let me introduce you to something exciting which you can find on Amazon's ACX. Okay, go to acx.com. It helps to make your book an audiobook and publish it on various Audible, Amazon, and iTunes platforms. As you can see, authors publish many articles on this site, and people will go there to buy audiobooks. But we will not publish any ebooks on this video. In fact, as you can see here, we will apply to become an ACX narrator. Well, let me show you how fast it works. To get started, you first need to create a profile. You need to create an ACX account. When creating a free account, you can upload different samples. Basically, you can read a book by reading everything because, as you can see, it is an example of a book that people want to read. Here, you can just read the whole book. If you submit it to ACX, the platform will pay you. See, it's pretty simple. It's easier than what you do now. After uploading the sample audio to acx.com, you can choose from various payment methods. You will be able to pay in PayPal currency, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, or Payoneer or ATM via bank transfer. There are many different payment methods, but basically, there are two options for payment. Okay, number 1, you can choose to be paid full-time, and number 2, you can split the rights 50-50. So it is for the hourly wages. It means that for every minute you read from the screen, you get paid for every script you read per minute or per hour. The second option is to publish a book. Let's imagine that every individual who buys the audiobook does so on Amazon. You will get 50% correct for the rest of your life. Those are the two options you have to get paid and withdraw your earnings. But before that, you need to audition, which is an effortless job. You need to choose any of these ebooks and submit audition samples to them. Once approved, you will be selected and able to work and get a daily wage. Don't worry, we'll teach you a completely free tool so you don't have to read any scripts and you don't need a microphone, camera, or other equipment. We'll show you how to copy and paste the entire script using free tools, 1 and 2, to do all the reading. So you can submit the main script and skip the audition. You can skip everything using this technique method, and you don't have to do any recordings and can just skip to the last step to get paid. So go ahead and we'll show you a free listening sample that you can submit. As you can see, the various ebooks have nearly 2,000 listing samples. They will give you a script to read all of this ebook, and after you submit one of the examples, they will approve and pay you. As you can see, this is an example of an audition. Most people will start reading the script using their voices. They need a microphone and spend a lot of time reading the whole script. But for us, we will only go to ttsreader.com, the first free tool mentioned earlier. You can go to ttsreader.com and copy and paste the entire script into the box, or you can choose any sound you want. For example, you can select a voice with a British accent. We can also select sounds from the US. And we can choose a female or male voice. Suppose we select this voice here, go back to my script and choose everything. From there, all you have to do is click this play button and you will hear the audio sample. TTS Reader will do this for you using AI technology and read the script for you in a very clear voice. You can choose to reselect any sound. With the power of technology, it is fully automated. If you are happy with it, just click the download option to save the audio file to your phone or computer and submit the sample to acx.com. We will also show you a second free option that is louder and gives you a more natural sound. Now visit naturalreaders.com. It will take you to this page where you can place the script in this box and select the sound. To listen to the preview, use the play button. Here we can see that we are reading the script to listen to the preview. Just go to the button that says MP3 and download the audio to your phone or computer and send it as your application. Today we promise to show you a secret bonus tip. We can now visit Fiverr.com where we can look for actual voiceover actors. Clicking the search button will take you to a page where you can find various freelancers on Fiverr.com. They will provide multiple recording services through samples. Suppose we click on it here, and it will take me to this page. You can see it here. Of course, you'll find sellers priced between $5 and $10, which is a good deal. But here's the catch. You don't really have to pay this person. Just scroll down and find these contacts. Then click on one of them. Send a direct message or an email to these people and you can send them the audition script and ask them to make a free demo sample for you. Then you can send those audio samples to acx.com. Once hired, you can actually go back and pay freelancers here. Therefore, you do not have to withdraw any funds. If they don't accept it, you'll just find other sellers. You can repeat this process until someone accepts. This shortcut is actually a better way and you can choose to use it for free. Otherwise, Fiverr.com is an option. acx.com is unlimited. You can earn a lot of money here. The registration process is simple. You just need to enter your username, email address, and password to get your account for free. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your opinions with us in the comment section below. Well, that will be all for now. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.